So our Seed to STEM program is very much a teacher-run program, and the purpose of it is to enable science teachers, middle school through high school, to be able to teach about our corn industry, to focus on biotechnology, to teach about ethanol in the classroom, but it goes beyond just providing the curriculum. Really, we want to be able to provide the supplies as well. But the purpose is on teachers, equipping them with the equipment and the labs that they need to be able to teach about agriculture in their science classrooms.
The labs that are here that we're participating with are a great way to expand on the lessons that we use already. Helps to bring in ag science. It helps to develop further our curriculum in an urban setting, showing our students more than what they would typically see within the city limits, and also finding that real world application and developing that bigger picture, that grander understanding of the world.
One of the things that impressed me the most about this workshop was having the teachers who designed some of these lab activities present them and explain the process of how they developed the activities and developed the labs. And then the conversation about how to extend those. And so having that conversation with the teachers that developed them was really, really impressive.
Being a science teacher in a public school system, being provided with the supplies, I'm going to be more likely to teach the lessons. Funding is a huge limitation for all of us in the classroom, and some of the supplies are rather costly, especially to be able to deliver to nearly 100 students. So just being afforded that allows for me to actually implement the lessons.
The supplies that we received from the workshop are very valuable to me. I teach in a very small school district, and some of these supplies are somewhat expensive. So to be able to incorporate them in a larger scale in my small school with a smaller budget is difficult to do. So to be able to not only do the activities hands-on, but to leave with the materials to do it right away in my classroom as quickly as possible is very valuable.
You have to get here. You have to come to these workshops, see what they have to offer. It's going to open your mind to a new way of delivering content standard instruction that we're all hoping to become better at.